respected Professor Ravindra Kumar, head of the institute, my faculty colleague Dr. Nidhi Mathur, Shilpi Ritupard, IT team, my other colleagues who are joining this session virtually, uh, all my new students of IMT CDL, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning from my side to all of you. And on behalf of the IMT CDL team and on my personal capacity, I wish you all the luck and welcome you to IMT CDL for your pursuit of education. Uh, we are having students from 3 programs right now who are joining this orientation. We have students for 2 years PGDM program. We have got students for 15 months PGDM executive program, and we have got students of 13 months PGCM program. Uh, you have made a decision, and first let me tell you that you have made a awesome kind of a decision of joining IMT CDL for the pursuit of your management education. uh, IMT CDL, as has been rightly told by Professor Ravindra Kumar, is the premier ODL institute in the country. It is always top ranked among ODL institutes, and also IMT as a family. You are aware that IMT group has a legacy of over 4 decades of creating and disseminating knowledge in management domain, and it's a global recognition that IMT has. So you are already part of a system which upgrades your profiles and CVs to a different strata altogether. And on completing the programs, you will be part of an alumni network which is close to 30,000, and they are holding leadership positions across the globe. Uh, Professor Ravindra beautifully talked about ODL system and what are its benefits and advantages today. Uh, we ran a quick survey with all of you before this orientation program, and I'm really thankful to many of you because we got almost 460 responses, which is around 60% of the people we reached out to at that time. And this the inputs given by you in your surveys are really very important for us to continuously improve ourselves and continuously improve your experience at IMT CDL. And one thing which has come out very strongly is that 85% of our students are already working at different stages of their careers and experience life. Today, many students find it very difficult to pursue their education goals when they have the commitments of their work and families and other kind of constraints. ODL is probably the most suitable system of education for them, and they are not able to go to regular classrooms. Particularly for working executives today, the prospect of taking a sabbatical from their work and then rejoining the job market is very scary, very scary. Also, since we are taking this orientation just after the pandemic is on and is still raging on like anything today, this pandemic of COVID-19 has also shown that ODL is the safest method of education today. And in fact, all of the top institutes across the globe and India are now adopting online mechanisms in their deliveries and pedagogy. Uh, so online as a education system is already getting a global boost and recognition, and an online certificate is having across the board acceptance, whether industry or corporates or academia. Uh, Fortunately, also that technology today has evolved to such a level that we at IMT CDL are able to provide you an ecosystem which almost mimics the physical classes, and in many cases far superior to the physical face-to-face system, which has its own constraints. For example, here you have got resources and recorded archives of lectures and other things which are available to you 24/7. You are carrying the entire campus on your device. So you really don't have to make any drastic changes in your family or lifestyle to follow education. Actually, this system of education wraps itself in such a way or molds itself in such a way that without having major disturbance in your lifestyle of or work life, you are still able to pursue your education goals. So today, and this is very scientifically designed system to support you in this activity. So the flexibility, the self-paced systems and other advantages which Professor Nidhi was talking to you in the earlier slides are all integrated into ODL system. Now here I'd like to give you as a word of caution and advice as a dean for this institute. See, ODL has a lot of flexibility, and the success of ODL programs is more dependent on learners than teachers. Uh, in physical classes, because of the timelines and boundaries which are more rigid, it automatically makes some discipline enforced into the group. But here, the discipline has to be enforced by the learner. You really have to exercise a certain level of rigor and self-constraint to follow the program and get the best out of this. We as institute provide you all the ecosystem. We'll provide you the best of faculty, the best of learning material, which Dr. Ravindra Kumar was talking about, a technology-oriented 24 by 7 LMS learning management system where all your resources will be there at your own pace, and a very robust student support system, student care system to handle all your questions. In fact, Professor Ravindra Kumar has embarked on a mission to make IMT CDL a zero grievance institute, which means it does not mean that your queries will not come. Your queries will come, but we'll be able to resolve your queries satisfactorily in such a short time that there will be no grievance post that query. So we are working and evolving a mechanism to become a zero grievance institute, which none of the ODL can claim, institutes can claim in the country. So it will be up to you, the learner, how much you can extract from these systems and how much you can take it out. Uh, there is a lot of flexibility in our programs, obviously, but a smart student is one who will strive to maintain all the timelines of classes, assessments, examinations, projects, and have a clean way of taking out the diplomas and certificates and not looking at backlogs and lingering on the systems. The more pressure you put on the system, more stress is for us and for you also, because obviously there will be certain kind of then penalties or certain kind of things which you may not like in terms of timelines or a shorter windows. So please try to use all your timelines of and deadlines of assessments, assignments, synopsis, projects, examinations very carefully. Swim with the system. You have now this time will fly. Your 15 months or 2 years will go like zoom. So you really have to swim along with the system, run with the ball in the system, go out cleanly and completely from us, from our system with a strong degree, strong certificate and career, and then pursue your further goals. I really wish you a wonderful experience at IMT CDL. We are always there to support anything that you have in terms of your problems with the studies or career guidance, as Professor Ravindra was talking about. We have got these faculty members and a very strong set of visiting faculty members also, who are all domain experts, and they can guide you in different directions. And so again, I wish you a wonderful experience with your studies at IMT CDL, and there is no way that we can claim that we'll make you a management expert in 2 years or 1.5 years. No, but as the quote which I am saying, which is there on my slide, says, we want to make you become a lifelong learner. These 2 years or 15 months that we want to whet your appetite to have more and more knowledge. We will. This is not an end in itself. We are going to give you the guidance and show you the pathways through which you can become a lifelong learner, uh, uh, evolve your knowledge, add to your your work skills and become a better professional and a better human being. Thank you so much. All the best.